C-Rad.
Greetings and salivations, everyone, and welcome back to another KRISTIQUE corner on C-Rad. I'm Krista, and today we're going to be getting out of my little corner of the world here and moving into the kitchen. But before we do that, I just wanted to say I'm really excited. We just surpassed 400 subscribers. So that means we're going to have another Baby Yoda merchandise giveaway coming up. It's either going to be the original size Funko Pop doll or the Black Series Baby Yoda action figure. So if you have a preference on one of them, let us know what it is in the comments below, and maybe if one gets more votes than the other, that's what we'll use for the next giveaway. But that will be coming up sometime in the next week or so, so keep an eye out for that video. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to attempt to make Baby Yoda deviled eggs. Yes, I had this idea. I was talking to a friend about what kind of foods we like for picnics and parties, and I was thinking about deviled eggs. I was like, hey, eggs look like the little pod that Baby Yoda travels around in. What if I could transform a deviled egg into something that looked like Baby Yoda traveling around in the pod? So that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do, and hopefully they come out. If they're not perfect, it's okay. I'm not perfect. Who is? And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing our videos in the future. Alright guys, let's head to the kitchen and make some Baby Yoda deviled eggs. Alright guys, you're going to grab your favorite deviled eggs recipe. Mine is a simple one. It's just 12 hard-boiled eggs, real mayonnaise, and yellow mustard. And I'm going to use pickles for the ears, capers for the eyes, and green food coloring to get that yellow yolk and awesome Baby Yoda green. Next, just grab your eggs. You're going to grab that and a knife. You're going to cut the eggs in half lengthwise so that you get 2 even slices. Carefully. Alright, and then you're going to grab a bowl, and the bowl's going to be for the filling, so you're going to take the yolk out of all of your egg halves. Oops, that's okay, I can use that for one of the tops. Don't take them out with a fork, guys. It's much easier to do it without it, but I was doing it for the video here. Alright. So I'm going to do the rest of them, put those there, do the rest of them, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all the eggs in half, I have all the yolks in the bowl. We're going to put the yolks to the side for now. And we've got the eggs. Like I said, I tore some of them. I didn't quite hard boil them long enough, so they were a little soft. I'll use those for the tops. So we're just going to set that aside for right now. Now I'm going to do the ears. I'm going to do 12 eggs, so you'll need 24 ears, 2 for each little Baby Yoda egg. And you're going to cut little pie slices into little triangles for the ears. They look good. You're going to set those all to the side, and once you have 24, you're good. I cut a couple extra just because, in case I didn't like one. And then I also grabbed my capers, and I pulled out 24 eyes that are about the same size. So you have that for later. So now we need to make the filling. So you've got your egg yolks. Just grab a fork or whatever you have to use to smash them up. You're going to smash them really good so that they're broken down real well. You don't want too many big chunks in it. And this is looking good. A couple more big chunks there. Get those out, smooth them out. Then we're going to add the mayonnaise. That's about a quarter of a cup. I'm just going to add that first and mix it around. You don't want to add it all at once, because in case you put too much mayonnaise in and it ends up runny, that's not going to be good because you need it a thick consistency. I'm going to add about another quarter of a cup. So about a half cup altogether, but again, don't add it all at one time just in case. Smashies. Okay, so next we're going to add the mustard. And for that, I usually use about a teaspoon to start, and then I keep adding it by the teaspoon for taste. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. I used about 4 teaspoons in it. I like my eggs really mustardy, but that's the thick consistency that you want. You don't want it too runny. So now we're going to do the food coloring. Just add it 1 drop at a time. I got the 1 drop. Alright. So you only want to do the 1 drop because if you add too much, you can't take it away, but if you do a little bit at a time, you can get it right to that right color that you need. Of course, 1 drop isn't enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 1, 2, 3. Oop. Okay, that was like 4-ish. Alright, stirring. Well, it's not really turning green. Aha! I've got an idea. Blue food coloring, because yellow and blue make green. Alright, add 3 drops there. Stir that up real good. Oh yeah, this is gonna work. Perfect. Looks really blue right now, but once all that yellow gets in there, I think we're good. So yeah, I only did 3 drops of the blue, and it's the perfect shade. You just got to make sure to get all the yellow off the sides and bottom. You want that evenly green consistency there. Alright, so next you're going to grab a pastry bag. I don't have one, so I'm going to use a Ziploc bag. And I've got this icing tip with a big open end there. Those were left over from Christmas cookie decorating. And grab a pair of scissors and cut a small little piece of the end off there. Scissors are being bad. It's okay. And you want to grab that and you want to throw that away because you don't want that to end up in your Baby Yodas. No. Alright, so you're going to take the tip and you're going to put it down into that little opening there. And then you're going to fill the piping bag. There's got to be an easier way than this, but for time's sake, I'm just trying to do this. Oop, I lost the tip there. Make sure that stays in the end. Okay, so I have everything in the bag. I'm going to take the ones that broke and set them aside here. Those are going to be the ones that I cut in half widthwise to use as the tops of the pod. And I'm going to keep the strongest ones as the bases. Alright, so I grabbed the pastry bag, you grab an egg, and you're just going to do a little dollop that's like a circle. And then grab one of your egg halves and put that on top to make the Baby Yoda pod. Now I'm cutting off the bad parts of the broken eggs and keeping the other halves to use as the tops. Grab another good solid base. Again, just put a little dollop in there, a little circular dollop. Grab the top. And you've got a second pod. So there they are, all filled up. I have a little bit of the filling left, so I'm going to take that and fill up the little pods, the ones that didn't have enough for me. And just make them extra tasty and easier to get the ears on. Alright, so we've got my 2 best ones here. I'm going to grab 2 pretty even-sized pickle slices. I'm going to use those for the ears. And just take those, and we're going to stick them right into the side of the filling. There, he's looking pretty Baby Yoda-like. And then you want to do the eyes, so you're going to grab 2 capers, make sure they're pretty even sized, and you're going to take those, stuff those in. Don't push them in too far or they'll just go right into the filling. You want them just kind of sitting right on the edge. And there is my very first Baby Yoda deviled egg. What do you guys think? I think he's cute. Alright, so let me do the second one here real quick again, just so you can see it one more time. 2 of the ears, 1 on each side. And then 2 capers, 1 eye, 2 eye, and ta-da! Another little Baby Yoda deviled egg! Alright guys, I'm going to finish these up, and when I do, I will show you the full plate. I think they came out really cute. What do you guys think? They're not perfect, neither am I, but that's okay. I'm not a master chef. I actually don't cook that much. So this for me is a pretty major accomplishment. But I had fun. Don't forget, I have a 400 subscriber giveaway coming up, so don't forget to keep an eye out for that. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. Alright guys, we'll see you later.